A very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to have a presentation on a study conducted on the topic the impact of digital marketing in buying behavior of youth. The study is jointly conducted by Dr. Swapna B. Mohammed, Mr. Iqbal K.I. and me, Ms. Fasana Abdulaziz. So before we going to be further detailing about the topic, let us see the ecosystem of digital marketing. Traditional marketing now no longer exists since digital marketing has surpassed all the hurdles that traditional marketing was facing till now. The recent tools like search engine optimization, search engine marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and many others have replaced all the conventional tools and added something extra to the four P's. Now the product is in front of the customer around the clock. He can buy anything from any part of the world with a single click. That was the major advantage that digital marketing brought into the marketing area. So, this study is put forward to evaluate the effect of digital marketing strategies on a customer group with the age of 20 to 30, and it also evaluates the effect of digital marketing techniques on the buying behavior, and it also look into the effect of email marketing, search engine marketing, affiliate marketing, and social media marketing on buying decision. Let us see more detailed explanations. The leverage that these digital marketing tools provide to sales of products are immense, and the speed of getting converted into purchase decision is more spontaneous. The social media platforms where our today's generations become more socialized has facilitated the advent of digital marketing. The huge data eruption and the data unlock has facilitated an unlimited access to data, which enable lakhs of people to get purchases done through digital platforms. The major domains that we look into through this study are content marketing, the demographic status of the buyer, search engine optimization, affiliated marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. Now, to have more further explanation, I would like to invite Dr. Swapnavi Mohammed, my co-author, to get into the discussion.
Thank you, Falsana. So we will have a look on the earlier studies related to the topic. According to Dwivedi Yogesh K. on 2021, they have reported that social and digital marketing benefits the firm in lowering the cost, improved awareness of brand, and a very increase in the volume of sales. Although there are certain challenges that affect the firm, like a pessimistic electronic word of mouth, as well as intrusive and irritating online brand presence. In 2017, Kannan PK reported in the study entitled Digital Marketing, a Framework, Review and Research Agenda, the digital marketing as an adaptive, technology enabled process by which organizations collaborate with customers and partners to jointly create, communicate, deliver, and sustain value for all stakeholders. Another study in 2021 by Balio, Sofia, and Beatrice Casais, they have reported that the first appeal of a post have due importance. The unique experience that a customer gets from a post will lead him to get connected and involved with the brand. Creating such experience is not at all an easy job. Placing a post that works well is important for every brand. In 2016, Ahmed reported that the advent of Web 2.0 has facilitated a two-way communication with companies and the customer. Social media content marketing (SMCM) also enables to deliver effective information to the consumers and retain customer attention. Now we will look into the objective of our study. The first objective is to evaluate the impact of various digital marketing techniques that lead to buying decisions. And the second one is to evaluate which digital marketing tools have got an upper hand over other tools. And the last one is to evaluate which digital marketing tool is having a lower influence on buying decisions. We'll see what is the need of the study. The study is relevant because of the following reasons. The digital marketing has brought a wholesome change in the way the marketers bring their product to their intended customers. This has led to a very prompt purchase decisions. There are many tools that online marketers use today to reach their product to their customers, and these tools act as a catalyst to make purchases happen. And this study in turn evaluates the impact of these tools on the purchase decision of the young generation. For the data analysis and the findings and in conclusion, I am inviting Mr. Iqbal KI. Over to you, Iqbal.
Thank you, Sapna ma'am. The following table shows the level of acceptance each digital marketing factor has got. A 5-point Likert scale is used to rate the attributes of each major factors and calculated the weighted average of attributes belongs to each factor. The first column in the table represents the serial number. The second column represents the major factors of digital marketing. The third column consists of weighted average attributes related to specific factors, and the last column contains the percentage value of level of acceptance that each factor has got. Next. The major findings of our study is the search engines works as the best tool for digital marketing with a 75.6% acceptance among the users, followed by social media advertisement which has a 68.8% acceptance level. Though 76% of the users seeks the help of whole videos by influencers for product information, only 62.6 out of them prefer the product promoted by the influencers. Only 63% of the users react to the online advertisements and other promotional activities. Only 48% users think that the email advertisement is relevant nowadays. Even though 76.35% of users get promotional mails, only 45.8% of them react to the email advertisements. Next. The conclusion of our study is, unlike all the marketing techniques so far used, digital marketing has evolved as one of the most effective marketing techniques as the world is fetching itself to an integrated network. The 24/7 outreach capability of digital marketing has facilitated itself to become the most feasible marketing technique in this era. This study has become more relevant since the youth segment of the market find it more convenient to get access to product in digital platforms. Due to Indians' present status with the world's largest youth population during these times. So these are the findings and the conclusions of our study, and thank you for your patience.